Ever feel like your Capcut video is a chaotic mess, with clips out of order and your story lost in translation? Don't worry, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you the super simple secret to reordering your clips in Capcut like a total pro. First, let's get right into it. Open up Capcut and make sure you're in your project with all your clips already imported onto the timeline. You can see here that our clips are clearly not in the order we want them. Now, to move a clip, simply tap and hold on the clip you want to reposition. This will activate the clip for dragging. While holding, drag the clip horizontally along the timeline. You'll see a white vertical line appear, indicating where the clip will be inserted when you release it. Position the clip where you want it to go, then simply release your finger. The clip will snap into place, reordering the sequence. Now, repeat this process with any other clips that need to be moved around. Just tap, hold, drag, and release. Play around with it until your video tells the story you are hoping for. Once you've reordered all your clips, hit that play button and watch your video flow seamlessly from one scene to the next. Easy peasy, right? That's all there is to it. Now you know how to rearrange clips in Capcut. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick Capcut editing tips. Happy editing!